In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off activity emails from Notion. If you find your inbox flooded with notifications from Notion and want a cleaner, more streamlined experience, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and go over how you can adjust your settings to prevent those activity emails from piling up. To get started, you'll need to open Notion and sign in. Make sure you're logged in with the account that you want to manage. If you're using the desktop app, just click on the Notion icon. If you prefer the web version, go ahead and open your favorite browser and navigate to Notion's website. Input your login details if prompted. Once you're successfully logged in, you should see your workspace appear on the screen. This step is crucial, as everything we do next hinges on being in the correct account. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where Notion keeps all the essential navigation tools. Locate and click on Settings. This option is usually near the bottom of the sidebar, so you might have to scroll a bit to find it. Clicking here will open a new panel with multiple settings options tailored to your Notion experience. Now that you're in the settings, you'll want to select Notifications. Doing this will provide access to all the notification settings where you can manage how and when Notion sends you information. In today's busy world, unnecessary emails can be quite distracting, so finding a setup that works for you is key. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Email Notifications. As you read through the different categories, you'll see a myriad of notification settings available, but keep your focus on this particular section. Here's where Notion organizes its email notifications, each designed to keep you updated on what's happening in your workspace. However, if those constant updates are more of a bother than a help, you're in the right place. Finally, look for the option that mentions activity in your workspace and make sure to turn it off. By doing this, you'll stop receiving emails about every little update or change made within your projects and shared pages. This change will greatly reduce the number of emails cluttering your inbox. Keep in mind that turning this option off won't affect notifications inside the app itself, so you can still stay on top of the important happenings whenever you choose to check Notion. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've managed to control the emails you get from Notion, making your digital life just a bit more manageable and focused. We hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Be sure to explore other settings too for a more tailored workspace experience. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials.